Hello everyone, this is Gajanand and you are watching Take Rudranshi. In this tutorial, I will show you parallel X scrolling using JQuery. Before to write a code, I want to show you a quick demo and then we will write a code. So the first question is, what is parallel X scrolling, right? So the parallel X scrolling is when we scroll the page, right? You can see this element. This is a background image. It's moving on a different speed. That's called parallel X scrolling. And this we will do by parallelx.js. This is jQuery plugin and it's available on a GitHub, right? So I will give you a link in a video description so you can come here and read more about it, right? So let's create a project and understand parallelx scrolling using jQuery. So this is my plain empty blank project, right? So to make a parallelx scrolling, we have to we need to parallelx.js, right? So here are CDN files, parallelx.min.js, but it requires jQuery, right? So jQuery min.js. So we have to copy this two files. Let's copy, Control C for copy, and paste it here, right? Next thing, we need to element, right? We need to image, right? Like this. We need to this image. So already have an image which is bg.jpg. So let's copy, Control C for copy, and paste inside in our application, inside our project, right? So bg.jpg, right? So now what we have to do, just we need a one element which is a div attribute, which is a div element. Just copy this one and paste it here. So it has some properties, which is a data image src, and it takes the image path, right? So already we have a image bg.jpg, right, like this. But when we run this application, it will not work because it needs some more settings and properties of CSS. So what we have to do now is copy this class and put it put it a style tag like this style, and this is a class parallelx, so we need to put it dot, and its minimum height is 400 pixel, and background is transparent like this. Control S for save, and let's refresh our application. So you can see, but now we not able to scroll this page because our web page doesn't have much content. So what we have to do for that, we need to scroll the page. So make it a div, and style, its height is 600 pixel, right? So Control S for save and refresh. So when we scroll, you can see this background image, it's moving on a different speed, right? So this is called parallel axis scrolling, right? So pretty much we have done about parallel axis scrolling. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and what you think about this video, please let me know what you think about, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks.